All right, with this one, we have a 6 minus 1. So this could be either a difference of squares or a difference of cubes. In fact, it's both, and we can actually just choose which one we want to deal with. It seems like a difference of squares would be easiest to work with first. So let's do that. So a squared minus b squared, if you remember, is a minus b and a plus b. Now, hopefully you can see this by now, but p to the 6th is the same thing as p cubed squared. In other words, p to the 6th is the same thing as saying p. And you could say p cubed, but twice, so p cubed squared. So, same idea. So, if this is going to, let's rewrite that. So this is the same thing as p cubed squared minus 1, and I'm going to put the squared there just to make it so we can really see what's going on. So we've done these enough where we don't have to rewrite a and b down over here. So let's go p cubed minus 1 and p cubed plus 1. Now, if we look at these are a difference of cubes, and these are a sum of cubes. So let's take the difference of cubes. Well, the sum of cubes first, which is a plus b, a squared plus, nope, minus ab plus b squared. And then we have a minus b, a cubed minus b cubed, which is a minus b. And then remember that this is a squared plus ab plus b squared. Hopefully you have these memorized by now. So a p cubed minus 1, so which means a is going to be p, and b is going to be 1 on both of these guys. So p cubed minus 1, so we're going to deal with this guy first. So let's say this guy is the same as this guy, which is the same as all this. So you end up getting p minus 1, and that came from this. Then we're going to multiply it by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So a squared, which is going to be p squared because a is p, plus 1 times p, which is just p, plus 1, because 1 squared is 1. Now, let's move this guy over so we have a little more room. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but this time with p plus 1, which is going to be all of this. So it's going to be the same thing, most likely as this, but with this sign changed. And also, ooh, yep, that's right, p squared minus p plus 1. This minus is probably going to change. Now let's write it in a little nicer form. Let's go p plus 1 and p minus 1. And then I'm going to go p squared plus p plus 1. And then p squared minus p plus 1. Usually what you do is you have the lower degrees first and then the higher degrees last. But not a big deal because it's all commutative anyway. So it doesn't matter if you keep it like this or leave it like this. But I'm going to leave it like this because it's prettier to me.